Well, Interstate 90 is a busy highway this week as thousands of motorcyclists make their way to the 82nd annual Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. The Black Hills is a beautiful area for sightseeing, but getting there isn't going to be easy. That's because the bikers are going to run into a few areas that you won't find on any tourist map. The road to Sturgis isn't always a smooth ride.
Torn up roads does, because I bounce up and down back here.
Ron and Kathy Hall are from Georgia, and this will be their first time to Sturgis.
We don't really have a real clear clue of what to expect.
What they can expect is a lot of road construction.
That's what we heard about. Yeah, man, not looking forward to that.
There are 7 road construction projects on I-90 on the way to Sturgis, including this one, which stretches for 15 miles. Here at the McCook County line, the traffic on Interstate 90 goes from 4 lanes down to just 2 lanes. As you can see over here, it goes head to head. The engineers say that if there's going to be an accident, they hope not, but if there's going to be one, it's going to happen in this area.
I've been on projects, multiple projects like this, and when we do have accidents, they're generally coming into the construction zone.
Project engineer Rick Brandner says that's because people sometimes drive too fast and get distracted.
There's a lot of traffic. They all get compressed, and there's too many vehicles on the road to fit through a single lane, and then they back up in behind the construction zone, not paying attention, and then they get, someone rear ends the next person in front of them.
He says it only takes one vehicle to mess things up.
Address those concerns. We put message boards back at, about 4 miles back is where we started, and just put message boards that tell them to pay attention.
So heed the warning signs and enjoy the ride. That's what the Halls are planning to do.
We're looking to have fun, but mainly riding around the area. There's all the Badlands and all the surrounding Deadwood and all that. Man, we're looking forward to it.
And that stretch of I-90 construction from Humboldt to Salem won't be complete until about Thanksgiving.